The YouTube algorithm today is favoring this type of content because many viewers prefer to watch film summaries before committing to the full movie. This gives them a quick idea of what to expect, which is why these videos have the potential to go viral. If you take advantage of this opportunity now, you can tap into this trend. While there are already many channels doing this, watching this video will teach you how to create these types of videos, and they are 100% monetizable on YouTube. Plus, with a key strategy, you can get your content accepted on Facebook as well. Before we dive into creating the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful. Leave a comment to support the community, and if you have any questions, feel free to DM me privately on Telegram or join our community chat. So now let's start making our video. Don't miss the fourth step. It's the key to standing out in this niche compared to other channels. First, we're going to the Kuaishou site, which is a platform similar to TikTok but mainly in Chinese. Here, we'll only find Chinese videos. You might be wondering what we're doing here, but stay with me and it will all make sense. Next, head over to Google Translate and translate the specific phrase, which you'll find in the description, into Chinese. We'll use this phrase to search on kuaishou. Copy the translated result, paste it into the site's search bar, and hit enter. As you can see, many videos will show up, and these are usually film explanations or summaries in Chinese. Now pick a video that you want to use. To download it, we'll need to use a specific tool, which is linked in the description. First, copy the video link, go to the downloader site, paste the link, and click Submit. After waiting a few seconds, you'll see an interface where you can download the video and, if you want, the thumbnail as well. For now, let's just download the video by clicking Download. Another interface will pop up. Click on the three dots, select Download, and your video will begin downloading. After saving the video, we move on to the second step. We'll use a site called Capwing. Start by clicking Create New, and when the interface appears, click Add Media and then Upload. Choose the video we just downloaded and wait a moment for it to upload. Next, click on the 9:16 aspect ratio to make it suitable for shorts and change the background color to black, as you can see. Once the video is uploaded, the first thing we'll do is trim the beginning of the video. After that, we'll cut out the part that contains the Chinese captions. Now, we'll use the dubbing tool. First, select the original language of the video, which in this case is Chinese, and then choose the language you want to dub it into. I'll choose English. You can also select the type of voice you prefer, either male or female, but I like to use the female voice. After making these selections, click Dub Video and wait for the translation to complete. Once the video is dubbed, you'll see the English captions appear. If you want to use captions, you can customize their template, size, and position. I'll choose this specific template and adjust its placement and size. You can also change the colors and fonts if you like, but for this example, we'll stop here. Finally, export the video by clicking Export Project. Choose the desired quality, wait for the export process to finish, and then click Download Video. Now, moving on to the third step, we need to isolate the voice from the background music. First, open CapCut and add the video we just edited. Here we take a screenshot from the video, then we cut the dark part like this. Then after this, we adjust it, place to cover the watermark. From there, export only the audio by selecting the option to export as MP3, making sure to isolate the vocal track. Once the audio is exported, head to the specified website, linked in the description, and upload the audio file. On this site, you can adjust the settings to reduce or remove the background music, allowing you to isolate the voice. Test the audio to ensure the music is minimized and you're hearing just the vocals. Once you're satisfied, click the button to save the isolated voice track, making sure to choose the option to save only the vocals. Now we move on to the fourth and most important step, which will set you apart from other channels. You might be thinking, I don't have the best camera or my voice isn't strong enough. That's where Vidnoz-AI comes in. This platform is perfect for creating AI avatar videos with realistic faces and voices. After signing in with your Gmail, you'll see its user-friendly interface with many templates and tools to choose from. Start by exploring the templates. They offer options for explainer videos, education, business, and how-to formats. You can also choose between portrait and landscape video shapes. Now head over to the Clone Voice section, where you can either clone your own voice or select from over 1,000 pre-recorded voices. You can adjust everything, from the language to the gender, and even the emotion of the voice, e.g. angry or happy. Next, let's create our avatar. Click on the Avatars tab, where you'll find a wide selection of avatars, or you can create your own. Since I have a female voice track, I'll choose a female avatar. After selecting the avatar, you can customize it by changing the voice or appearance. Once you're happy with your avatar, click Create Video. Instead of typing text for the AI to generate speech, we'll upload the voice file we created earlier. Upload it, wait for it to process, and then customize the background. You can either upload an image or choose from stock images, but for now, we'll change the background to green so we can edit it later. We'll also adjust the video to a circular format with the green background. After generating the video, I want to briefly mention the different plans available on Vidnoz-AI. There are 3 main plans: Starter, Business, and Enterprise. I recommend the Business plan, especially if you subscribe annually, as you'll save 25% compared to monthly billing. Trust me, once you try this AI tool, you'll want to keep using it. Now our video is ready, and as you can see, we can download it. Now for the final step, editing. Open CapCut and add the avatar video we just created, placing it over the main video. Then, remove the green background and adjust the position of the avatar to fit the scene. Next, lower the volume of the original video so we're only using the AI avatar's voice. Once that's done, go to the Stickers option and search for a circle sticker. Add it underneath the AI avatar for visual effect. After that, search for an arrow sticker and add it to highlight important parts of the video. To make the video more dynamic, we'll also add a wow sticker and a second arrow. For each sticker, be sure to apply animations to make them more engaging. Now I noticed the background looked a bit dull, so I added another video as the background. I cut the original one to fit and fill the screen. Then I used the mask option and applied rounded corners to give the video a cleaner look. Afterward, I added a blur effect, reducing it to around 9 or 10% to keep it subtle, and finished it off with a vignette effect for a polished appearance. For the final touch, go to the audio option in CapCut and search for a pop sound effect. Add it to the part where the arrow sticker appears to enhance the effect. Next, search for a wow sound effect and place it where the wow sticker is, as you can see. For background music, visit Pixabay and search for a suitable track. Make sure to check the copyright details before downloading. Once you have the music, go back to CapCut, add it to your project, and lower the volume slightly so it doesn't overpower the voice. Trim the music to fit the length of the video, and add fade in and fade out effects for a smooth transition. And that's it. Let's watch what we've created today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Love you all.
Dark and windy night, the young master was bored and prepared to take a hot bath, unaware that danger was approaching step by step. Just as he was immersed in the joy of soaking in the fragrant tea, the phone rang urgently and Amy walked over to answer it without any preparation.